Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to delete blank page in MS Word. Let's say we need only one page and we have the second page as blank page. So in MS Word, we will go in Home tab. We'll click on this button. So this is the end of our text. So we'll place our cursor on the end of our text and we will press delete button. We'll keep pressing the delete button until the second page is deleted. So we can see here the second page is deleted. So in this way we can delete an empty page or a blank page in MS Word. We will just place the cursor at the end of the text and keep pressing delete button. So thank you for watching. Please do consider subscribing the channel.